asuntoskeittiö Saarni Pirtti.
Today it's the 12th of July 2022. We have Sarvikatu for Stekis B. We will also go to the Stekis A soon. It's here in Jalkaranta, Lahti, Finland. It's one of the suburbs here. The capacity is 4 persons, so 305 grams. With Kone M fixtures and 5 floors. Built in 1992, it might be late 1992. Turning 30 years old this year, in 2022. There's the building 6 with steam elevators from 1993, which could be not 93, but they were more or less already in 2016.
Yeah.
We took only one example of them because we don't have to film all of them. You had been there before, but it was shortly after you were there they had demolished.
Yeah.
And this number is just 67315. Will be inspected in next year, 2023. 2 rides.
Yeah.
Of course. I love the smell in here.
Same. Inspektiitpaikki vai sitten meidän eteenpäin on.
Could have been Nova late 1992, but it wasn't here either. But we filmed a few of them. Recently we filmed one in, was the Espoo-keskus.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was the fourth so far found novel that we have found.
Yeah.
The other ones we have in Betonen in Kuopio and in
That's